'Cause you're safe like springtime, short days, long nights, boy. Tell me all the ways to love you. 'Cause you taste like lucky strikes, you drag, I ride, boy. Tell me all the ways to love you. Yeah, yeah. Tell me all the ways to love you. Tell me all the ways to love you.
Good morning, you guys. It's Tess. Hi. I am gonna get ready for work really quickly. I have like an hour before I need to leave, and I'm whispering because I'm at my parents' house and they're asleep. It's like 8 a.m. on a Sunday, and I'm gonna get ready for work. I have 3 shifts left at Credo, so almost the end of this chapter, and I'm excited for the next one. Okay, I wanted to share my skincare routine really quickly with you guys. Just a little update. So I have been cleansing my skin with the Mother Dirt Cleanser. It has malic acid from apples, so it's a very gentle light exfoliant. It also has quinoa, super gentle. And then as my kind of toner, I've been using the Josh Rosebrook Hydrating Accelerator, aloe-based toner as opposed to like an alcohol one, so it's really focused on hydrating the skin. After that, I do my vitamin C serum. This one is from Obagi, and it's their C clarifying serum, so very brightening and lightening. And in the mornings, I like to focus on kind of like shielding my skin from the elements, preventing like free radicals, and just a lot of antioxidants. And then at nighttime I do more like retinols and more like I guess aggressive treatments, but daytime is just all about like defense. So after my vitamin C serum, I've been going in with the Neova Creme de la Copper. It has the copper peptides, ceramides, and a great delivery system, so it's very focused on nourishing the skin. I love this brand. I feel like it might be a little bit heavy for me. It's pretty focused on anti-aging, which I obviously want to start like ASAP to be preventative, but I don't know, I've been experiencing a lot of blackheads and breakouts, so I hope this is not the culprit because I love it. I'm obsessed with Neova. And for my eye cream, I've been using the Alpenbeauty Plant Genius Line Filling Eye Balm. This is from Credo, non-toxic, chemical-free. They use bok choy, which is basically this amazing plant that performs basically alongside retinol, so it's very effective, but non-irritating, even safe for pregnant women, so this is amazing. Love that. And then I'm just finishing up this Dermalogica Solar Defense Booster Sunscreen. Actually really like this. Super moisturizing, doesn't break me out, and I kind of like it after my moisturizer as like another layer. Once that moisturizer is like absorbed into the skin, this just provides extra nourishment and protection against the sun. If you guys are not wearing sunscreen, that is the number one thing you can do to prevent aging. So wear your sunscreen. Bring it down to your neck. I like to do a ton of facial massage when I get ready, so whether it's like washing my face, applying my serums, applying my moisturizer, applying my sunscreen, I'm always massaging the skin a little bit so I can just get in as much as I can. Okay, I'm gonna get ready for the day.
Me, can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me? Hands in the soap, how the faucet's running and I keep looking at you.
I see you, really take this feeling. I see you, now I'm really just too They say hard work pays off. I've been feeling paid off. Try to take it, then you did.
In my Credo uniform. White tee, black bottoms, boots. Jeans are redone. Shirt is from Wilt, and boots are from Fisher. Okay, I'm just packing up for work. Wanted to quickly show you guys kind of like what I bring to work to eat. I have, I'll just open this. Try not to get it everywhere. Just a kale salad with some roasted cauliflower, sweet potatoes, feta cheese. What else is even in here? Oh, some black beans. I like to use kale because I think the more it kind of like marinades in the dressing, even the better it is. It doesn't get like soggy, and then you don't have to bring an extra dressing container. And then this is just fruit like bananas, raspberries, blueberries with a little chia. Always bring a protein bar because that's like my little treat. I'm obsessed with protein bars. And a little trail mix. Lots of sugar in the cranberries, so I'll probably just have that as like a treat. Probably have like half of that. I ate the whole thing. Or if I do go to the gym after work, I'll have some of that. Just good to have kind of like a buffer snack in case like you get in that situation where you're like starving and you just need something. That way you don't crash. So I have that, and then I always pack my gym bag and bring it just in case I feel like going. I kind of feel under the weather, so I'm not sure if I'm gonna go to the gym, but I just have the option in my car. So I have my leggings, workout outfit, headphones, change of clothes for after the shower. Always pack like a skincare bag with face wash and moisturizer, serums, that kind of stuff.